Hi, this is Ken with Microsurvey. I'd like to show you a really cool and useful feature we've added to FieldGenius for Android for our version 1.6 release. We've now added the ability to completely back up a existing project on a Android data collector. So we now on the projects list on the left here, you see you have an option button. When you select that, you have backup as an option for that project. So it creates a backup file with the file name of the project name, the date and the time, and an archive of the project. So we've created that project and you can select done and it's saved in the archive folder in your FieldGenius folder on the device here. Or you can select the share option and again select another place to store it. You can store it on my drive, up in the cloud, you can email it to someone, and so forth. So what'll happen is that file will be saved, and you can transfer it from device to device. It will bring everything you need to open and continue work on this project on a different device. So if you're in the field and somebody else is doing the work the next day and you want to transfer the project, you don't have to actually physically transfer the device. You can just send him the file. He can open it on his version of FieldGenius for Android and continue the work. To restore a new or a backed up file, when you open your FieldGenius for Android on the new project, there's now a options button at the top here on the left, and you can select Restore Project. And now we can browse the device to figure out where we want to select the project that we want to restore. As I'd mentioned, it's stored in our archive folder in our FieldGenius folders. So in this case, I just created the UAE demo project, and if I hit the restore button, it'll go ahead and restore that project to the device. If the project already exists, as it does in this case, it gives you the date and time of the incoming project, the date and time of the one that's existing, and you can either overwrite or cancel. So this makes it very easy to store and back up projects for security, as well as send a project either to the office for review or to a colleague to look at, where they can open the complete project and look at it on their device. So again, a very cool feature, and I think it'll be very useful for moving data around between Android devices or to the office